Once the fog peels back, I would say between 10, 11 for most of us, there is going to be so much sunshine, even along the coast, which means our temperatures are going to be warming up mid 60s along the coast for Half Moon Bay Pacifica. Down to Santa Cruz, we're going to be in the low 70s out there. It is going to be so much nicer, especially compared to the past week of weather. Inland areas, mid to upper 70s out there. And then look at what happens by the time that we step out into Sunday. Overnight tonight and into early tomorrow, we're really not expecting all too much cloud coverage out there. Maybe a little bit along the peninsula down to Monterey Bay. But other than that, there is going to be plenty of sunshine, and that's going to allow our temperatures to warm up to well above average. Inland areas going from the mid to upper 70s today to mid to upper 80s by tomorrow. It is going to feel like summertime for the last official day of May. Can you believe it? It is going to feel a lot nicer out there for those of you that want to get out and enjoy the sunshine and warm weather with mid to upper 60s, even along the coast. By the time that we step out Monday, it only gets warmer. Inland areas are going to be right on the cusp of that 90-degree mark, if not reaching 90 degrees in places like Fairfield. While the coast, you'll notice actually a couple of degrees cooler by Monday because we are expecting the marine layer to return by Monday and stick around into Tuesday. So keep that in mind if you live along the coast. This weekend is definitely going to be the best to soak up that sunshine. Perfect timing, too, from Mother Nature because the weekend when a lot of us have plans out and about should be good to go. If your plans include heading to the beach, I am jealous, and I might be joining you after I get off work today because we'll be seeing relatively calm winds, the onshore flow gusting 10 to 25 miles an hour, but really nothing unbearable, nothing that we don't normally see for this time of year. Temperatures staying at or above average through the upcoming week of weather before cooling down by next weekend. So I do want to let you all know next weekend, if you're looking at the long-range models, likely going to be leaning towards below average conditions. So if you really love the warm weekend weather, enjoy this one while you can, with again 80s expected all across our inland areas. San Francisco closer to the coast, it will be a bit cooler with the onshore winds, but hey, upper 60s to low 70s with sunny skies for this time of year. Enjoy it. It will be cooling down Monday and Tuesday, like I said, because of the marine layer returning. The marine layer should clear by Wednesday and Thursday, and that should allow our temperatures to warm back up to slightly above average. But overall, it's all about the microclimates this time of year. We're getting back to the season where we have to do 3 7-days because our inland areas are going to be seeing mid to upper 80s this upcoming week. That is well above average by about 5 to if not nearly 10 degrees out there, while areas by the bay, you're going to be in the mid to upper 70s out there, a little bit more comfortable with maybe some early morning fog giving way to afternoon sunshine next week. While along the coast, enjoy plenty of sunshine this weekend because again, by Monday and Tuesday, you will be noticing more cloud coverage, keeping you slightly cooler. But overall, expect a lot of sunshine and relatively nice weather this upcoming week.